Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the swallowtail stitch. Now this stitch has a lot of texture going on. Because of all that texture, it is one you're going to want to block after you've worked it into your final project. But it's just a wonderful stitch pattern to work. This is the front side where all the texture is situated, and then your back side is here as well. Today for the tutorial, I'm going to be using a little bit of a worsted weight yarn in two different colors. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet. There'll be links to it in the description of this video. Also down in the description, you'll find a link to the crochet hook I'm using. This is a Birchwood hook by Rowan Yarn. Also down in the description, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. And you'll also find a direct link to my latest book, Barn Quilt Blankets, which is a collection of 5 crochet blanket patterns with a geometric design, and it's available right now on Amazon. You'll find that link down there as well. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. You're going to start by taking your color A and by working a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and your foundation chain will need to be a multiple of 10 stitches plus 4. Today I'm going to go ahead and chain 24 stitches. Once you have worked that foundation chain, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Chain 1 and skip the next 3 chains. Into your next chain, you're going to work 4 double crochet stitches, all into the same chain. Work 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Followed by 4 more double crochet, all worked into the same stitch, into the next stitch. Chain 1. You're then once again going to skip the next 3 stitches and work a single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next 3 stitches and repeat, beginning at the 4 double crochet stitches worked into the next stitch. Double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Work 4 double crochets into the next stitch. Then skip, chain 1, skip your next 3 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch and continue all the way across. When you come to the end, you're simply going to finish off with a chain 1, skip the next 3 stitches, and single crochet into that next stitch. You can then chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, you're going to continue working in your color A, and you're going to begin by working a single crochet into the top of the first single crochet stitch. You're then going to skip the chain 1 and into your or around the post of your next double crochet, you're going to work a front post single crochet. So bring your hook in front of your work, insert your hook from front around back of the post of the next stitch and out through the front again. Yarn over, draw up a stitch, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. And that's your front post single crochet. You're then going to work a front post single crochet around the posts of each of the next 3 stitches. Chain 1, and now work a back post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 2 stitches. To work the back post double crochet, yarn over, bring your hook in back of your work and insert your hook from back to the front, around the post and out through the back again, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more. That's your back post double crochet. You're going to do that around the post of the next stitch. Chain 1 and then work a front post single crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. You're then going to skip the next single crochet and repeat that all the way across. Work a front post single crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. Chain 1, work a back post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 2 stitches. Chain 1 and front post single crochet around each of the next 4. Skip the next single crochet and repeat all the way across until you come to your final stitch. And you're going to work a single crochet into the top of your final stitch, but this time we're going to switch to our color B. So to switch to our color B, insert your hook in the final stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, drop that color A, pick up your color B and place it on your hook and pull through. You're then going to chain 1 and turn your work, all ready to continue working in your color B. For row 3, working in our color B, we're going to begin by working a single crochet into the top of the first stitch. Chain 1, skip the next 4 stitches, and into the next chain 1 space, work 4 double crochet stitches. So you're skipping the next 4 stitches into that chain 1 space, work 4 double crochets. You're then going to work a front post double crochet around the post of each of the next 2 stitches. To work your front post double crochet, yarn over, bring your hook in front of your work and insert your hook from front, around back and out through the front again around the post of that first or that next stitch. Yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more. That's your front post double crochet. You're going to repeat that around the post of the next stitch, and then work 4 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next 4 stitches, and then into the space between those next 2 stitches, work 1 single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next 4 stitches and repeat. Work 4 double crochet stitches into the next chain 1 space. A front post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 2 stitches. and 4 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. You would then chain 1, skip the next 4 stitches, work your single crochet in the next space between the next 2 stitches, chain 1 and repeat all the way across. When you come to your final 5 stitches, you're going to skip the next 4 and finish off the row with a chain 1 and single crochet into the top of the final stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. Now for row 4, we're going to repeat our row 3, this time using our color B. So single crochet into the top of the first stitch and work a front post single crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. Chain 1, work a back post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 2 stitches. Chain 1, front post single crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. Skip the next single crochet stitch and repeat. Front post single crochet in each of the next 4. Chain 1, back post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 2. Chain 1 and front post single crochet in each of the next 4. Repeat that all the way across until you come to your final single crochet stitch, chain 1 and single crochet. Now when you come to this final stitch at the end of row 4, you're going to want to switch back to your color A. So into the final stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop. If you have not fastened off, as I have, you're just going to carefully pick up your color A, place it on your hook, and pull through. Chain 1 and turn your work. We're now going to continue essentially repeating those last 2 rows, rows 3 and 4, and then alternating between our 2 colors as we go. After every second row, you're going to alternate between your colors A and B. And that's all there is to working this beautiful textured swallowtail stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.